Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Day. It's cooking time in our channel and today we are preparing a very tasty, soft breakfast recipe which is called Aval Dosa, also known as Aval Dosa. It tastes really yum and it tastes even better with the onion chutney which I'm going to show it today. So without any further delay, let's get cooking! time to taste bite boo. Whoa, we got it. It's a beautiful combination of soft and crispy. It's soft from the upper layer and the lower layer is very crispy. I'm going to try it along with this chutney. It is the best. Love, love, love it. You can even give it to your kids. They will love it because it's soft, nice and tasty. Do subscribe to my channel. You're going to see a lots of tasty and yummy dishes coming your way. Until we meet in the next video, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. See ya!